Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to open command prompt before login your Windows if you forgot your login password. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to open command prompt window before login to your Windows, if you forgot your login password, then I will show you how to open this command prompt window. As you can see, I have not logged in my account. So if you want to open this command prompt window here, so what you have to do, you have to just hold this shift key. Here you will find shift key. You have to just hold and restart your PC. You can see here this shutdown button, tap on that. Then click on restart by holding shift key on your keypad. Hold shift key and click on restart. Then your PC will restart. When you press shift key and restart, you will see this type of screen. You have to just click on this troubleshoot. Then click on advanced option. Here you will find command prompt. Just click on this. Now you can type your commands from here. That's it guys. So in this way, you can open command prompt window before login to your Windows if you have forgot your Windows login password. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.